Clearing out cache and cookies for a particular website on a Google Chrome is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video, I will be showing you exactly how you guys can do it. So we're gonna do it for the YouTube. So I have opened up YouTube in my Google Chrome, and I'll show you how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what you guys exactly have to do is to go and hit the this button on the left side of the website link. So once you do it, you will see cookies inside, and once you click on that, you will see manage on this device data. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to completely delete every single cookie that is available by clicking on this trash button. By doing so, you will be able to delete all the cookies and the cache that is linked with this website. So by doing that, you will see that it says reload this page to apply your updated setting on this site. So that will completely delete all the cookies from this particular website. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.